guys. Welcome back. I'm gonna be shipping out birds to the Purple Heart race soon, and I just want to make sure I'm not shipping them birds with lice and so I'm gonna spray them down with this product that I just started using. It's permethrin, 10%. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I think they use these on horses and bigger animals, but I've also learned from some of you guys that you can use them on pigeons, and I have started using them in their bath water. But obviously the babies, they don't take baths, so, or they can't yet. So I'm gonna just spray them down. I've got this little tiny bottle here that I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna add a very small amount of this. And I'm talking small amounts, okay? Maybe half a teaspoon, since this is a smaller bottle. And just spray the birds' wings and bottom and stuff, and I'll show you how I do that. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've got the stuff mixed in there. I'm just shaking it really well, and I'm gonna catch the birds and the babies and spray them down. Okay, so here's my first victim. So all I do, just like any other birds that I spray, grab the bird this way. Don't worry, they're not getting hurt. So just gonna spray right here. Bottom. Back, their tail. And then on the other side, make sure you cover their wings, because that's where these little things, lice, live. So so make sure you cover these things right here. There you go. That is all you need to do. So I'm gonna put them back. There we go. Alright, that's all you need to do, and I'm gonna grab another one and show you again. Okay, here's another bird. This one's actually off of my Alphonse class bird. And I paired it up with one of Regan's hens. This one's an interesting one because it's got, like, I don't know if you can see that, it's got hairy feet. So I'm not really sure. I'm not too versed on how they get hairy legs and feet, but this is I assume a hen, because its nestmate is a lot bigger. So, but yeah, it's a nice looking hen. Pretty big too for a hen. So this one is going to the Purple Heart race. I know it's got a green band because I think they ran out of bands initially, and so they ordered a bunch from Jed's. So, but yeah, this one I'm going to send, but I just want to make sure that I spray them down so I'm not accidentally giving anyone lice. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Like I said, I used the product to on their bath water as well, and you know, it seems to work. So but you know, with these little ones I can't really give them a bath. I mean, I suppose I could dunk them in the water too, but I prefer to just spray them. So anyways, thanks for watching. God bless.